In this video, we'll show you what to do if the Facebook dating option is not showing or working on your Android or iPhone. So to fix this, first you need to make sure that your Facebook dating is available for your particular account. So there are some requirements that you must meet to use Facebook dating. For instance, you must be 18 years or older. You must also have a Facebook account that's older than 30 days. Additionally, and most importantly, you will need to be in a country where Facebook dating is currently available. So you can check this list on Facebook's website. Here's the list of countries where Facebook dating is available. If you are not in one of these countries, you won't be able to use it no matter what you do. If you are eligible for Facebook dating, what you need to do is open the Facebook app, tap on this menu icon, and then look for the Facebook dating option in the left side. However, if you don't see it here, go to settings and privacy and then select settings. Now in this menu, scroll down to preferences, and here you will need to select this tab bar option. Now here select customize the bar and make sure you haven't accidentally hidden the Facebook dating option. If you have hidden it, simply tap the drop down menu next to it and then select pin option for it. Now go back to the previous menu, scroll down, and here you will need to find the device settings option or the device permissions option. Now here make sure you have allowed the Facebook app to use your location. So tap on the C info and make sure to select this update settings if you haven't allowed the permission. So go to permissions, go to location and make sure it's set to allow. However, if you still can't see the Facebook dating option, make sure your phone is not connected to any VPN service. So if you are connected to your VPN service, simply disconnect it temporarily. Now long press on the Facebook app, tap the info icon, tap on force stop and then select OK. Now scroll down, go to storage and then tap the clear cache option. Now open the Facebook app and you should be able to see the Facebook dating option. If not, you can try signing out from your Facebook account and then signing back in. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.